if the cold wind blows, I'm gonna wind up working in the thick of it. Sunshine through the rain and snow. There's an oily brine bilge water baptism waiting below. That's just a wave slamming against the topside sound. Don't let the ever-rolling motion go and get you down. Don't let it shake your steady thread-cutting hand. Keep stealing ribbons from the steel and giving hell to every halyard you can. In spite of all, the wherewithal to fight it all, I'll embrace it all. When every day is like a war between the will to go on and a wish that the world would spiral into the sun. Turn your head toward the storm that's surely coming along. If the sun was always shining and our Lord always light, we'd be shaking like a leaf with every God-given night. We'd break under the weight of any pressure that was ever applied. We'd be ready when the straw boss calls. He's got an ever-loving bone to pick with one and all. Don't let his condescension get you down. Just have the strength to know you're wrong, and when you're right, the strength to stand your ground. In spite of all, the wherewithal to fight it all, I'll embrace it all. And every day is like a war. You find no strength from the usual source. There's no peace, there's no rest. Your fortitude's feeling put to the test. And every day is like a war between the will to go on and a wish that the world would spiral into the sun. Turn your head toward the storm that's surely coming along. If the sun was always shining and our Lord always light, we'd be shaking like a leaf with every God-given night. We'd break under the weight of any pain that ever came in this life. Got to show I ain't looking for much, just a little bit of rest by the side of the road. I lift my voice to the forces above, the lords of labor and the goddess of love. Ain't I been a good, hard work, fit for serving the sun? Turns black and it cracks with the thundering voice. Work is what you are when you're breathing in and out. Your final breath falls to the floor. Swing down that sledgehammer through the wood. A little test of mind over flesh ought to do you good. And get up off the ground, you can lay down when the day is done. And on the seventh day you can lay in the morning sun. just me and my lover in the big old sky. I ain't asking for much, just a little bit of rest for the day that I die. I lift my voice to the forces above, the lords of labor and the goddess of love. Ain't I been a good, hard worker, fit for serving the sun? Turns black and it cracks with the thundering voice. Work is what you are, you're breathing in and out. You find no breath, falls to the floor. So swing down that sledgehammer through the woods.
Work is what you are, you're breathing
A little test of mind over flesh ought to do you good. Get up off the ground, you can lay down when the day is done. And on the seventh day you can lay in the morning sun. Swing down that sledgehammer through the wood. A little test of mind over flesh ought to do you good. Get up off the ground, you can lay down when the day is done. And on the seventh day you can lay in the morning sun.
I've slept along these streets before, and I've drowned myself in every bar, but not like I did with you. Now I got one more night of telling lies. I hope they never televise the things that I used to do. And now I'm on the run again for the dumbest thing that I ever did, and I don't know what I should do. He said he could hardly see, you won't get far, so he let the dog drive the car and hope that I make it through. And I did, but I might be going away for a while. I might be going away for a while. They might be shipping me away to Dead Man's Isle. And if I can't find a way to win this dreadful trial, I'll be going away for a while. Practiced up and stumbling around, but that night really knocked me down, and now I don't know what to do. Now that dog ran off, and I can't blame him. Gotta get gone out of this mess I'm in, or I won't be going home too soon. Why don't I might be going away for a while. I might be going away for a while. They might be shipping me away to Dead Man's Isle. And if I can't find a way to win this dreadful trial, I'll be going away for a while. Well, I never should have let that dog drive. I never should have let him in. I never should have drank that last rye. I never should have drank that gin. Now I got one more night stuck inside of a police station, and I don't think I'll see that dog